Start with that when you're having a conversation with a struggling agent, having a conversation with a producing agent, right? Really start with like, hey, you know, what is one thing that you really want to focus on in your business, and for whatever reason it's not working out the way you want it to, right? Not even like, hey, what are you struggling with? Because if you're talking to a high producing agent, there's going to be, I'm sure, some ego involved, or they're not going to be like honest with you in terms of, oh, I'm good, man, I sell a lot of homes, I'm not struggling with anything, right? But instead, you know, reframe the question away where it's like, hey, there's one thing that you're good at that you really want to double down on, and you feel like you definitely, you know, like can use some help on, right? So asking that type of a question, it really, again, leading the conversation with the questions first, identifying what their hurdles, their challenges, their pain points are, and then based on what their pain points are and based on what they really want to achieve, that's when you then present your value proposition to them.